My name is Ernest Mason Jr. Given name, a retired chief name, Nishmut, which means a person who helps and a person who gives. It is a lifetime, like a lifetime job, and I still continue to do that. Just provide for the community. My parents paid our way to go to school in Rupert, and they ran short of money. The next spring after, I was offered a boat to go to be a fisherman. And I've been a fisherman the rest of my life. In the meantime, that's the kind of messages that I want to let my people know. It's up to you to learn your history, use your background, use your chieftainship to help protect what we have. A lot of that is where stewardship comes in. It's just keepers of your land.